Blossom's social investing pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Blossom is a social investing app that allows users to invest while connecting with a community of like-minded investors. If you think social investing apps are just about chatting, think again. Blossom combines networking with actionable investment opportunities. The app is free to download, offering basic portfolio tracking and community features at no cost. For more advanced functionality, Blossom offers a premium subscription at $99 per month. Premium members get access to curated investment strategies, detailed analytics, personalized alerts, and the ability to follow top-performing investors. There are no hidden fees or trading costs included in the subscription. Most people get this wrong by assuming the social features are all the app provides. The surprising truth is that Blossom's social layer enhances learning and decision-making. For example, by following a top investor's strategy, beginners can see step-by-step moves and replicate them in their own portfolio, providing a practical learning experience. Premium users can also track performance metrics, see historical trends, and get real-time insights on market opportunities. Imagine investing per month while following curated portfolios over time. Those contributions, combined with smart strategies, can significantly grow your portfolio. In conclusion, Blossom Social Investing offers transparent and reasonable pricing. With free basic access and $99 per month for premium features, users gain community insights, education, and actionable tools. It's an ideal choice for anyone who wants to learn, connect, and invest at the same time.